Let's go ahead and get ourselves in a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and take a long, deep breath right into your heart space. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Just continue breathing in and out of your heart. Now imagine a golden light from your higher power flows in through your crown, down your throat, into your heart. Your heart begins to expand a little bigger with every breath. Right now, in this moment, I have everything I need. In this moment, I have everything I need, and I am safe. I am safe in this moment, and I am safe to create. I'm a powerful creator, and it is safe for me to create my wildest dreams. I am safe to be seen. I am safe to be me. Creation is my birthright. And money feels so safe in my hands. Money is energy. Money amplifies the good within me. Money is energy. Money is my friend. I love money, and money loves me. Success is safe in my body. I feel success just filling me up from head to toe. Success makes me feel happy, supported, free, alive, activated. Money is my friend. Money loves spending time with me, and I love spending time with money. Money supports me, and I support money. I am supported by money. I am worthy of wealth because I exist. I am divine creation, and there are no mistakes in creation. I am worthy of wealth simply because I exist. I am worthy of my wildest dreams. My excitement is my purpose. My passion is my purpose. And I deserve my wildest dreams. I allow myself to receive. I allow myself to receive money and wealth and everything I desire. Money flows to me from every direction. Money flows to me easily, consistently, effortlessly. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. The more I give, the more I receive, and the more I receive, the more I give. Giving and receiving are the same thing. Giving and receiving are the natural flow of abundance, and I am aligned with this natural flow state. It is safe for me to earn more than I have ever earned before. It is safe for me to receive more than I have ever received before. It is safe for me to exceed my old limitations. It is safe for me to break my financial ceilings. I am rising. I trust my timing. I trust my intuition. I trust myself. I believe in myself, and I trust myself. I believe in my dreams, and I trust my dreams. I know that my passion and my excitement is coming directly from my higher self, that my excitement is my intuition, and I trust it. My presence generates wealth. My presence alone by itself generates wealth. Abundance seeks me. Opportunities seek me. I am no longer chasing. I attract, I magnetize wealth. Wealth flows to me. I am a money magnet. Opportunities seek me. Everything is always working out for me. Everything in every way is always working out for me. Aligned clients find me. Opportunities find me. I attract money. I embody wealth. I am becoming someone who manages money wisely. I am becoming someone who manages money wisely. I manage money wisely. I am becoming someone who now multiplies wealth effortlessly. I am multiplying my wealth with ease. I hold abundance with calm confidence. I can see this wealth and money in my hands right now, and I am holding it with calm confidence. My nervous system welcomes money because money is safe. Expansion is growth. And as I expand into wealth, I expand and amplify the good within me. The more money I hold, the more people I serve. The more money I hold, the more I can do for my community. The more wealth I have, the more people I can connect and serve to. Wealth leads me to freedom. Wealth gives me more time. Wealth amplifies love and connection in my life. The more wealth I hold, the more it inspires others around me. The more wealthy I am, the more I can serve my community. As I rise, we rise together. Wealth leads me to freedom. Wealth gives me more time with my family. Wealth amplifies the love and connection with those around me. I am so happy and grateful I have manifested this wealth. I feel the freedom. I travel wherever I want. I spend my days doing exactly what I choose. I feel free. Life feels easy and exciting. Wealth supports my spiritual growth. Wealth offers me adventure. It amplifies the good within me. The more wealthy I am, the more people I can serve. The more wealthy I am, the more it inspires those around me to become wealthy. It shows others what is possible. Wealth is energy. Money is energy. And I use this energy to amplify the good within me. My body feels so secure and safe with expansion. My body loves growth. I am a powerful creator, and it is safe to be powerful. I use this power for good. I am safe to create. I create with my heart. I create with my intentions, and I use my creations to love and connect and support and serve. I am so happy and grateful I created wealth, because wealth is opening more and more opportunities. We are all rising and expanding together with our hearts, through our hearts, holding one another. My success supports myself and others. My wealth strengthens my community. The more wealthy I become, the more people I can serve. Money is energy, and money loves me, and I love money. I deserve money. I deserve my wildest dreams simply because I exist. I am a powerful creator of financial freedom. I am a safe place for wealth to grow. The more I honor my boundaries, the richer I become. The more I honor my boundaries, the richer I become. The more I embody my truth, the more wealth flows to me. The more I embody my truth, the more wealth flows to me. The more I love myself, the more money loves me back. I no longer chase, I magnetize. I no longer have to chase. I magnetize. I am a magnet for wealth. I am a magnet for money. Right now, in this moment, I am safe. I am a powerful creator, and it is safe for me to create financial freedom.